Every minute, every second of the day, you feel in the most special way. You're beside me all the time, all the time.
Kumating yung asawa ni Ace.
When I do it again, anyone loves you. Get through everything. Can't imagine anything. Can't imagine anything that two of us can do. That let me down. Turn my life around. Sweetest days I've found you through the years. Another baby friend. I love to laugh with you. Don't sing me lost in love. I tell me everything I know. Can't imagine me so through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. I'll
Oh, Mare, kawai.
Wonderful event here at Evangelio's residence. And for everyone who just came in, please do come here and find your seat. Make yourself comfortable because we're going to start our program. So to start our program, gusto ko muna makarinig na isang malakas na palakpakan, everyone. Parang medyo mahina yung palakpakan nila. Again, isang malakas na palakpakan, everyone. And there you have it. Again, welcome here at Evangelio Residence, where we are going to have our wedding reception program of our Louis and Kenji. Okay, and I would like to ask everyone to find a seat. Make yourself comfortable. And we're going to start our program now. Oh, by the way, my name is Rushmo Bejerano III, and I'm going to be your host for today's event. Thank you, DJ. Okay, again, thank you everyone, and to our co-suppliers, thank you Jump 3 Digital Studios. Of course, we do have here our wedding stylist for today, the El Verde Catering Services. Thank you, sir. And for our sounds and lights, let's give it up for M&J. And of course, we do have here our coordinator for today. Let's give a round of applause for our events coordinator of the day, Perfect Dates. And to formally start our program, I have here on my left hand the list of our entourage. To start with our principal sponsors, unahin muna natin ang ating nagagandahang mga ninangs. As I call your name, may you please stand up, wave to everyone, and make a big smile. Okay lang po ba yun? Okay, first on my list is Mrs. Maricel Quinto. Come on, ma'am, make a stand and wave to everyone. There you have it. Una pa lang na ninang yan, napakaganda na. Okay, to continue, can we have here Mrs. Liza Descaliar. Good afternoon, ma'am, and welcome here at Evangelio's Residence. Medyo mahihain si ma'am. Nagagano ng pamaypay. Very dalagang Pilipina. Diba, ma'am? Okay, are you here, Mrs. Alenda Calacad? Good afternoon to ma'am. Next on my list is Mrs. Lorna Encarnacion. Very sweet naman yung wave ni ma'am. Well, are you here, Mrs. Chona Roldan? And lastly but not the least, to complete our set of ninangs for today, can we have here Mrs. Aloli De Guzman? Good afternoon, ma'am, with your very red lips. Thank you. Of course, pagtapos sa ating mga nagagandahang ninang, nandito rin na nagwagwapuhan, nagpopogi, at si Tito, umingiti na kagad, na mga ninang, si Sari Mr. Alejandro Valero. Oo, kanina pagtingin ko, ninong pala siya, akala ko siya yung groom. Iba ang datingan. Well, there you have it, Mr. Roberto Mojica. Thank you, sir. Well, are you here, Mr. Mario Arevalo? Sir, good afternoon. Thank you for gracing with us today. Mr. Pedro Pehi. Ang napaka-kisig na Tito Pedro Pehi. Please make a stand, Mr. Felix Diesta. Thank you, sir. Thank you for waiting with us. And lastly but not least, to complete our set of Poging Ninong for today, Mr. Rick Loyola. And there you have it, everyone. I guess lahat po ba ay natawag ko? Kung may nalimutan bang po akong tawagin sa mga Ninong and Ninangs, paki-inform po ako, natawag po ba lahat? Natawag naman po. Okay, palakpakan naman natin ang mga Ninong and Ninangs natin. Maraming salamat po sa dalawang pumalakpak doon. Opo. Tatlo na po sila. Madadagdagan pa 4 po. 5. Pagsabay-sabayin po natin. There you have it. Gusto ko ganyan lang kasaya, no? Ganyan kasaya yung gusto ko. And of course, after that, we do have here our secondary sponsors. Just so with our best man and our maid of honor, please come here forward. Edison Talatan and Karen Bernadette Telan.
I wanna boom bang bang with your
Make it move. Come on, come on, come on. Whoa.
you like a rodeo.
Si Sir medyo mahikain pa.
Feet up, feet
Oo. Nahiya pa siya pero bumigili ng konti, no? Okay, nakita niyo naman yung energy mo, no? Ayan. Nakita niyo naman yung energy nun. Sana yung energy nun, ate, lampasan natin, ha? Sabi ni ate, yes, nag-ready ako dito. Last Wednesday pa ako nagpa-practice dito, eh. Okay, next on my list is Roy Joseph Perma and Joanna Marie Espina. Come on, let's give her a round of applause, everyone! Oh, si Mother, oh, masayang-masay si Mother. Ay, iniwan mo kagad si ate, nagsasayaw pa. Sabi ni ate, 1, 2, 3. Gumagano'n pa lang si ate, iniwan mo na kagad. Okay, are you ready? Edward Talatan and Mary Joy. Amen.
Go back!
Kasi may mananalong best dancer for today. Come on, let's keep some moves, come on. Alright. Left side, right side. Medyo mahirap yung step na yung i-break, no? Thank you. Well, are you here, Kenneth Concepcion and the Arnie Hines? Come on! Oh, medyo groovy to. Mas okay kesa sa ganun, ha? Medyo mahihain sila, no? Well, I guess itong mga to, hindi na masyado. Ito yung mga ano, yung mga Gen Zs, no? Okay, come on forward, Mark Lester de Zagon and Crystal Astoveza. Naku, mahihain pala to.
Thank you, thank you. For the next sumales is Vernon John Valero and Aisel Ann Evangel.
Sana makakita sa taong kalaya
Sasayaw to. Tagalan nyo na kilala ko to eh. Laging sumasayaw to eh. Diba? Come on! Nakakatuwa to si ate. Tanghali pa lang parang iba ng amats neto eh. Oh. Oo, ano sa lahi daw, mga tumaeras. Thank you. What about Sherwin Quinto and Shaniel Bautista? Ito, best dancer ito ng high school eh. Itong lalaking to. Oo. Kasi elementary pa lang po ako, nakikita ko na siya sa high school. So, give us some moves, come on! Kung ayaw mo ilabas ng video na nagsasayaw ka. Thank you. Medyo mahihain yung mga grupong to. Are you here, Gary, Vito, and Maren Joy Valero? Kala ko nagulat lang si Chloe. So please come in forward and to complete our secondary sponsors. Come on over here. Jetro Evangelio and Princess Mariel Mala. Ayan, ganyan dapat yung energy. Come on, come on. Oh, come on. Wow. Para yan ate. Para nakikita ko na sa Channel 7 eh. Parang kasama ng Dabar Cats to dati eh. Hindi ko ba yung sa Raisa? Hindi ba? Medyo Raisa yung ano niya. Okay, now to please our secondary sponsors. Let's give them a big round of applause, everyone. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Oh, ayan, 7 po sila ngayon pumapalakpak. Kita ko po lahat ang pumapalakpak kasi pagkakain na po, ako po magkakarang po doon. Kung hindi po papalakpak, hindi po muna makakakain, okay? Okay, this event will not be complete without the loving parents of our dear couple. So please make a stand and wave to everyone. The groom's parents, Mr. Joseph Vicedo and Mrs. Rosemary Vicedo. And of course, the bride's parents are already here. Mr. Adriano Evangelio and Mrs. Celia Evangelio. Tayo kayo, sir. And wait, everyone. Thank you, sir. And for now, I guess everyone excited to see our newlyweds. Oh, masakit po ang tuhod. But I guess everyone excited to see our newlyweds. Are you guys excited? Excited na sa ate. Saan mas excited? Makita ang newlyweds o sa tanghalian? Tanghalian daw. Okay, come over here and all welcome our newlyweds, Lewis and Kenji.
Just keep your eyes on me. I said don't.
Okay, let's all welcome our newlyweds for today, Kenji and Lewis. Come on. There you have it, our lovely couple of the day. Let's give them a big round of applause, everyone. Okay, for now you can have your seat. Medyo gutom na po ba kayo? Kasi sir, parang, sir, dahan-dahan po sir, teka lang po. Oo, ang tuloy parang magagalit eh, di ka na may bubunutin eh, no? Dadino lang, sir. Bubunot yan ng sobre. Oo. At ibibigay sa newlyweds natin. Okay, to formally start this program, and I guess everyone is kind of hungry right now. Okay, I would like to ask the presence of Mrs. Tonette Batino. To have our opening bell.
Magandang tanghali po sa inyo lahat at tayo po ay mananalangin, ipag-pray po natin ang mga bagong kasal at ang lahat ng mga bisita po sa kasalang ito po. Lord, maraming salamat Ama na patuloy kami Panginoon nagpupulit nagpapasalamat sa oras na ito Panginoon. Lord, maraming salamat. At patuloy kami Panginoon humingi ng tawad sa lahat ng aming mga pagkukulang, pagkamali at pagkakasala. Sa isip, sa iwas, sa salita Panginoon, maraming salamat Ama sa kapatawaran na ginagawa sa amin at kung sino Panginoon nagkakal sa amin. Natatawad namin sa pangalan ng Panginoon. Lord, maraming salamat Ama. At nagpapasalamat po Panginoon kami sa inang na buhay. Buhay kalakasan kalusugan na nagmumula sa iyo, Diyos. Lord, maraming po salamat Ama sa tanghaling ito, Panginoon. Nadalain ko po, Panginoon, ang kasa ng ito, Panginoon. Maging magtagumpay, Panginoon. Nato, Panginoon, kapayapaan, ang kasiyahan ng bawat isa, Panginoon. Lord, maraming po salamat at ang lahat, Panginoon, ay mapupusaw sa handaan ito, Panginoon. Sa iyo namin pinagkakatiwala, Panginoon. Araw na ito, Panginoon. I-bless mo kami pong lahat, Panginoon. Maraming po salamat, Ama, sa lahat ng mga bisita na dumatingan. Dating po, Panginoon, sa maghapon ito, Panginoon. Maraming po salamat, Ama, sa pangalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Amen. Thank you so much, Mommy Tonette. And I guess everyone is kind of hungry and starving right now. So our buffet area is already open. So everyone, serve yourself. Kuha lang po kayo doon. This area is for our guests and for our entourage. And for our entourage po, our El Verde catering services, we're going to serve you your meal. So after that, you can have your lunch first. And we're going to continue our program after your lunch. Thank you.
Ay,